We're back with another episode showing you another renovation. You can see so much rubbish out here. We're gonna be changing into a lovely 5-bedroom house. A living area / bedroom over here. We're making a minimum of 400,000 on this project, but we've got a lot more deals that we could handle if we got more people like yourselves involved. And as I said, the stairs will be coming upwards. If we add 300,000-400,000 on this build, we're gonna have... We're back with another episode showing you another renovation. And as things are moving along, we're actually getting more and more investors coming on board to make you guys a profit. Instead of using the banks, guys, we can also work with investors and show you exactly how we're getting under market value properties. We do the build and we actually sell the project for you because we know the area better than anybody else. Now, if you're interested, make sure you're sure to reach out to us. Don't be afraid. We're real life people. We're happy to show you many projects and show you exactly what we're made of and proof of work. And we'd love for you to be part of some of our projects, as we've been doing this for over 20 years and got all of the experience. We know you're busy in your work and you're not ready to take that leap. BTL Isn't Dead, let us do all the heavy lifting. So let me show you into our latest project. Right, on this one, you can see the fact that there's so much rubbish out here. It's actually a double / triple fronted house with a garage over here, guys. We're gonna be changing the entrance to directly in the middle. Yes, I have OCD. I like things to be symmetrical. We're also going a little bit upwards, but at the moment, we have just gone through the strip out phase. We've got all the rubbles all cleared out. We love a blank canvas and we are working on the floor plans currently to turn this into a lovely 5-bedroom house. Currently we have the stairs over here, but guess what? They're gonna be moving to somewhere in the middle because when we go upstairs, the landing is gonna be over in the middle. You can see all the acros up at the moment, and this is gonna be potentially a living area / bedroom over here. We've got another area over here, and that's the entrance to the garage. Here we're gonna have a L-shaped kitchen going all the way back, guys, and we're gonna be having retaining walls. As we put our metal frame up here, we may be having one of them flat roofs where you can walk upon from the landing area or through both of the bedrooms upstairs, which we'll be showing you. Yep, there's one of our diggers. It's actually more cost effective using one of these diggers than doing all the manual work. Round the back, guys, we're gonna have a barbecue area and an outbuilding. And if you look over this side, this is what 2 weeks of stripping out actually looks like. The manholes all covered. We'll deal with that later. Here, if you look, it's a bit of garden space right now, but what we're gonna have is a dining table and chairs. But here's the thing, we've actually had a lot of trees causing us problems. So even though you cut some of these trees down, we actually have to drill holes in it and inject a liquid what the tree loves, but unfortunately it kills the tree. But that way the property doesn't actually get damaged. This one we've put way under market value. If you want to know more, we're making a minimum of 400,000 on this project. Now, we're looking for JV partners where we're going to be splitting profits for projects like this. We've currently got 11 on the go, but we've got a lot more deals that we could handle if we got more people like yourselves involved. Here's the stairs currently, but guess what? They're going, and this is actually going to be still a bedroom. We're going to be putting a door here which goes on into the landing phase. And as I said, the stairs will be coming upwards. And as you come out of the stairs, this is gonna be another opening to that lovely balcony. Over here, funny enough, we're gonna have a bathroom. Looks pretty big to be a bathroom, right? But that's what we're gonna be having. We're gonna have a lovely shower room here, bathtub, sink. It's actually gonna be oozing a lot of space. So bedroom number 2. Got another hallway coming here, guys. This is going to be a bedroom. Over on the left side is going to be a bedroom onto the balcony above the kitchen, and over here we're going to be having a study room. So down here we're going to be having fitted cupboards and a study room to this bedroom over here. Here we will have all of our plumbing and mega flow systems, which are all going to be hidden, but we go properly back to brick and make sure this is to a level that people could be really, really proud of. We're in an affluent area of North London where the people around here absolutely love a great property. We've got that uplift that if we add 300,000-400,000 on this build, we're gonna have all of that profit back plus more because we've bought correctly. So as I said, if you've enjoyed this, smash the like button, leave us a comment, and stay tuned on the channel because we're gonna be showing you exactly the progress of Little Dragon's project. Peace.